Hello, you lovely lot. I hope you're well. My name's Mira Makeup and I'm a freelance hair and makeup artist. So today I have been challenged by the lovely Nadira Makeup and Hair to do #GetTheGloss in 7. Thanks, Nadira. Not sure how I'm going to do this. 7 minutes I need to create a makeup look in. It's not a lot of time, to be completely honest. I've decided to create a spring look with everything on my table. I've already prepped my skin. So I've prepped my skin with the lovely Drunk Elephant Marula Virgin Oil. I've used By Terry Rosy Babe Lip Balm on my lips. And I've used the Murad Vitamin C Eye Dark Circle Corrector under my eyes, which I love because it just gives it a little brighten. So I'm going to start. I have got my timer ready for 7 minutes and I'm gonna get it ready to start. So let's go, guys. So I'm gonna first of all start with a little bit of Glossier Future Dew, which I love on my skin under makeup for that dewiness for a spring makeup. Listen, it's spring makeup, so I wanted to keep it in that no makeup type of vibe. So I put that all over the skin. I've just used my fingers, just going into all the areas. I love this for that dewiness, but I also, if you want to use it as a highlighter, you could use it as a highlighter. It's brilliant. Future Dew by Glossier. Next up, I'm going in for Miracle Second Skin by Max Factor. The lovely Caroline Barnes introduced me to this, so I'm literally just applying. This shade is a medium tan and it's amazing on the skin. It just is like a second skin, and I'm going to be using my It Cosmetics foundation brush to blend that in. So here we go. It sits on the skin beautifully. It does look like a second skin and it's perfect for what I'm trying to create today. So all over the skin, just take that into any areas that have got a little bit of redness. Perfect. So that's amazing. This brush is amazing because its stipples are nice and firm and it blends beautifully, and you can use your fingers. So I'm going to go in with concealer, guys, now. So where is my concealer gone? Where are you? Oh, right in front of me, I can't see you. So here I am using the By Terry Hydra Concealer. So I'm just applying a tiny bit under my eyes. I'm using my buffing brush. This is a Smith Cosmetics brush. It's a small fluffy brush. I feel like when you do a little concealer, sometimes use my fingers, but this here gives me a really nice flawless finish. Love that. That is what we are looking for, guys. Listen, 7 minutes is not a lot of time. Down to 5 minutes 30. There we go. I'll use that in any little red areas that I need. Just go through the skin. So it's given me a really, really nice base. Brows. Let's go in for brows. I'm going to be using HD Brows brow glue. I'm literally just going to take that through the brows. This product is brilliant. Brows stay in check all day. And I'm just going for a little brushed up brow, which actually you could probably go for a tapered brow if you wanted to, or a brushed up brow if you wanted to too. But look how cute they look. I love them. I'm a big fan of brows, so I don't mind spending a little bit longer, like the whole of like 10 seconds more on brows. I'll go back to brows in a minute if I have time to fill them, that is. So now we're gonna go in for, I'm gonna go in on cheeks. I'm gonna be using the Dewy Blush by Ciate. I love this product. Literally, it sits on the skin like a dream, it blends like a dream, and it gives you a blush and a glow all in one. Just looking at my clock, it's 4 minutes, guys. So I've got a nice little, super simple, nice natural blush going on. Now I'm going to go in, this is one of my favorites. I have it in my kit. I absolutely love the color of it. This is Hula by Benefit. It's such a great color. I use it as a contour. You can use it as bronzer. You can use it across the eyelids. So a brilliant all-around multi-purpose use, all about making my life a lot easier. So we're in. So look, that's just giving me really nice cheekbones. And we're good. And then let's go in for highlighter. So this is the Iconic, sorry, wrong one. I've got 2 on my table. So this is the Iconic Original highlighter. Literally just popping that onto my cheekbones. Love a glow, but I might have to go in with my brush now because it's now gone everywhere. Right, so that is my skin done. Oh my gosh, look, it's everywhere. Let's just blend. Listen, you can't can't do anything wrong. So now I want to go in and do my lips, because then that's done. So I want to use Lip Injection by Too Faced, and this is Glossy and Bossy. Pop that straight across the lips. Now let's go in. I'm going to be doing my eyes. So I'm going to go in from Palette by Beauty Blade, Book of Magic. Quick. I'm going to take a little bit of purple and pop in that right into the inner corners of my eyes. Just want a little pop. Colour's gorgeous. And then a little bit of the green just on the outside. I'm just using the same brush, guys. I haven't got time to change my brushes. This is like, the pigment's amazing in this. I love the colours. So I am just popping that straight in there. Guys, I've got 2 minutes left. I was very optimistic. I was like, I'll do a liner and everything. Actually, if I get this incorrect, I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this, put it under my lash line, just the purple. I'm going to take the little gold, just going to pop it in my inner. That just opens up the eyes and makes. Okay, right, mascara, guys. So I'm going to be using the Victoria Beckham Future Lash. Wow, I'm really shiny. Just across the lashes. This is a tubing mascara. It's brilliant. It is easy. It's great for those with sensitive eyes and those contact lens wearers. I'm literally putting that through my lashes. And again, listen, with speedy makeup as well, it doesn't have to be super neat. But again, I want it to be as neat as possible. Going in on my bottom lashes. I've got 45 seconds. I can either pop in, go Ruby Hammer, and I'm going to go liner. And risk it for biscuit. Again, this liner is brilliant. It's made by makeup artists for makeup artists, so can't go wrong. Right, again, we'll just go in. I've got 14 seconds. Just want to go back in, make sure my cheeks are all good. Where is my blush brush? Bing bong! Done. So, ready in 7 minutes, guys. So, that is my timer done. That was my 7 minutes. That's 7 minutes, guys. So, I have done this little look. Pretty simple, summery spring eye, but I haven't powdered or anything, which I should. I'm a bit of a shiny mess, but it's all good. I'm okay with this. So I was going to say, I wanted to now pass the lovely baton across to the amazing, I've got a little bit of hair attached to me, the amazing Caroline Barnes. Caroline Barnes, let's see what you do in #GetTheGloss in 7. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.